Good afternoon, respected madams, honorable judges, teachers, supervisors, and all my dear friends. Myself, Navya Trivedi. Today's my topic is equatorial region. First, I introduce my group members: Ishika Baddi, Meshri Medapati, Manav Solanki, Siddiki Saina, Uwesh Sayyed. Now, I would like to share with you about equator. What is equator? The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The equator regions are located in zero latitude. Introduction. The equatorial regions lies in and around the equator, constituting the torrid zone of the earth. The equatorial regions located in the band around the equator and cover about 6% of the earth's surface. They are often lowland areas and have a climate that is hot, wet, all year round. Tropical rainforests are grow in equatorial region. Location. The equatorial regions are located between the equator and Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree in the northern and southern hemisphere. Now I would like to call Baddi Ishika for the further speech.
So, my name is Ishika Baddi. I would like to share you about climate and vegetation. This region is found on either side of equator. It receives the direct rays of the sun almost throughout the year, and as days and night equal duration. The humidity is very high because water evaporates from the river, ponds, plants and from cloud. This cloud rises slowly around 4 o'clock in the afternoon when rainfall occurs along with thunderstorms. This type of rainfall is typical to equatorial region and are also known as tropical thunderstorm. There is no winter season here. The equatorial region is primarily hot and humid, hence a variety of the plants and trees can see here. Not all trees shed leaves at same time, so these thick rainforests always remain green and are also known as evergreen trees. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world. It is home to different species of plants, lepidolite, insects and birds. The evergreen forest benches connecting evergreen trees. So I would like to call Solanki Manav.
So today I will speak about wildlife. The equator forest is a natural habitat of a variety of animals and birds and amphibians. Many animals and birds such as monkeys, chimpanzees, fox, flies and now I would like to call Meshu.
So, my name is Prajapati Meshti. So, I would like to explain agriculture. Do you know what is the mean by agriculture? Agriculture means growing crops and raising animals. It provides food like wheat, rice, fruits, vegetables. Means it is providing us food like wheat, rice, fruits and vegetables. Farmer works very hard in field. You can see in this picture, the farmer is working very hard in the field. It gives raw materials like cotton, sugarcane, rubber. Many people are working in farm. Means in India, there are so many people, they are working in farm. Now I would like to call Shaina Siddiqui.
So today I will explain about human's life. The equatorial region are dense forests which hinder settlement. Some tribes are found in this forest. Life is very tough for this type. Malaria is a common illness in this region. Some of these tribes, such as Simijans of Malaysia, Kubis of Sumatra, and Paijanis of the Congo Basin, are nomadic tribes who spend their life hunting and gathering others, such as Dakas or Borneo. Now I would like to say Ruj.
Now I am continue to the equator of country. The equator of country is an imaginary line on 0-degree latitude that divides the earth into northern and southern hemispheres. It passes through these countries: Ecuador, South Korea, Republic of the Congo, Colombia, Maldives, Indonesia, Kiribati, Kenya, Gabon, Uganda, Somalia in Africa. This solar country which passes through equatorial region. Thank you.